I called your name in the empty room. It echoed back like a fading tune. You said forever, then disappeared. Now even silence feels too near. I'm not okay, but I'll act like I am.